Hello, hello. In this video, we will be talking about how to label our graphs in StatCrunch. For this example, we will be using a random sample of 1,000 video games released between the years of 1988 and 2016. I'm going to build a histogram of the number of units sold in North America, or this NA sales variable right here. I'm going to go to Graph, Histogram, select my variable, and before we get into any of the labeling, let's just hit compute. We notice that by default, the name of our variable is listed on the x-axis. Frequency will be listed at the top of the y-axis, and there won't be any titles. Let's go back into Options Edit. Under Graph Properties, we see options for changing color as well as the labels and title. Usually you'll want to change your axis labels if the variable name is kind of sloppy, like NA_sales. We could make it more clean and say North American sales in millions of units. Y-axis label, I'm content just leaving frequency. Let's give the graph a title. We'll just call it Histogram of North American Sales. When I hit compute, the custom axis label I gave it overwrites what was originally there. And now we have a title up here. Whenever you're building graphs professionally, it's very important that you use clean labels and you give your graphs a title so that readers can know what they're looking at a glance. Alrighty, now you know how to label your graphs. See you next video.